Bitna, what is it again? Bitna restaurant? Yeah, that's right. What is the objective? Can someone help me? Let's make this class more interactive. Let's have you guys contribute. So, what is the objective of building Burger King's website? Is it to sell burgers? Come on, there's no right or wrong answer, guys.
Understand how to make a grid on HTML.
Exactly, Danny's 1000% correct, okay? The objective of this lesson was simply to know how to put things where we want them to be, okay? I guarantee you, every one of you guys will work on building a web application somewhere. That's exactly what your boss is gonna want. They're gonna say, hey, I wanna put a number right here, right in the middle, vertically, horizontally. That's if you work for this stupid app. If you work at Facebook, what are they gonna want? They're gonna want some posts right in the middle, right? And they're gonna want some sidebar on the left, and this thing on the right. And inside of that, we're gonna position our elements relatively speaking. Okay, so that's the practice that we're getting today. This is something that occurs in every single web application. You show me every single website you guys go to in the world, you can do Command-Option-I, and when you do that, your Chrome Developer Tools is gonna show you a bunch of magical. Come on. When you guys go to a website, you open up your developer tools. When you do Command-Option-I, it's going to open up these developer tools. And what are you going to see here? HTML. It's that simple, okay? So the idea here was for you guys to get comfortable with HTML. So you guys should be able to look at some of this HTML and tell me what this means, right? These are some HTML tags. What's this thing right here? It's an attribute. Some attributes will have certain values. Sometimes we need to have an ID. Sometimes we need to have classes, okay? We're going to become much more familiar with this over time. So that's why I'm not worried if you guys don't build a perfect Burger King. That doesn't matter right now. Your job, your boss is never ever gonna ask you to build a perfect web application, okay? Never, that never happens. What he or she will say is, can you make it better? Can you make it prettier? Can you make it run faster? Can you make it can you make it deploy to every single device? So you guys don't need to build perfect websites. Just build it a little bit better. Yeah? Okay, so does anyone have any questions so far? Can someone, once again, other than Danny, can someone tell me what the purpose of this Burger King was? What's the purpose of menu specifically? Yes, to just know how to lay out elements. This is a common problem across many. This is not only applicable to web. And actually, I forgot to tell you guys something that I've been wanting to tell you guys. Coder School is actively hiring, okay? And one of my requirements, if you guys want to work at Coder School one day, is you got to do a good job on your homework, okay? So just get an A on all your homework assignments, and I promise you guys will get a job after this. We'll pay you money. So please work hard, because I'm not joking when I tell you there's an army of people looking for developers. There's an army of people that I know looking for developers. I could personally recommend you guys, but I can't recommend you guys if you guys aren't doing well. That would not be friendly to my friends, yeah? Okay? So anyway, what I'm getting at here is what we're talking about right now inside of this whole Flexbox thing, this whole CSS thing. Why isn't this working?
In this video, we're going to look at how to use I-18N to localize our application the way Google Maps and Facebook does.
Okay, my bad, that's the wrong one. Okay, let's go to YouTube. I want you guys, I guess the main point I'm taking away from this is, guys, just keep practicing, please. Because this knowledge that you guys learned about how to style elements, how to place them on the screen, if you guys want to know how to build mobile apps yesterday, if you guys want to know how to build a mobile app one day like this one,
you used a location-based mapping app before. So I thought it'd be fun for us to build something which incorporates these elements. Here's what we're gonna build today. Up top, you can see the estimated time to travel.
Blah, 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 blah.
And address changes. Let's get the party started. As you can see,
so just basically know that these concepts that we apply for web is like the building block, okay? You have to know how to do this before you can move to the next level. Yeah? So we're gonna do this first, and afterwards we're probably gonna have a section for mobile depending on whether or not how well the class does. Okay, does anyone have any questions?
So for homework, we finish up
So for homework, you guys make this as beautiful as you guys can. Give it spacing, right? Don't have things hugging. Give it some different colors, right? Look at a different page on Burger King's actual website and make that one work. How many links do all you guys have? 2. Someone go to burgerking.vn right now and tell me how many links they have in that bar. Okay, so pick any other one. Pick any other one and build it and clone it. You guys should be able to sort of be able to do that right at this point. You know, and like I said, at the end of the day, me and Bitna, we already have jobs. You know, like we've already proven ourselves. I want you guys to just, I mean, there would be nothing that would make me happier than every one of you guys to walk out of here, go get a high-paying job, and just say, Lloyd taught us a lot. I mean, you feel great. So anyway, that's what I'm trying to say is, guys, like, I know it's Monday, we're tired. Wednesday, we're gonna be tired. Most of us here are going to work or like, you know, have kids or something. My last class, a girl had a kid. She did one of the best students in the class. She has 2 kids. I was shocked. But anyway, what I'm saying though is it can be done. Okay, so you guys make time to practice. Okay, if you practice today, your next week is gonna be way easier, and you're gonna like. I'm pretty sure you guys are gonna be happy when you guys, you know, graduate this class and get a good job. I'm pretty sure. I mean it. Okay, so does anyone have any questions? Complete the website. If you complete it and you're happy with the 2 pages you have, make a 3rd or make a 4th. Okay? Look at burgerking.vn. There are many pages you guys can clone. Pick whichever one seems interesting to you. Okay? Because at the end of the day, this is your talent you guys are building. All right, anyone have any questions? Any final questions before we break class? Okay, good class, guys, good class. Give yourselves a round of applause.